Foundations can get really expensive, but if you are looking for an affordable, budget-friendly and pocket-friendly option, then stay tuned with me till. Hi everyone, how are you? What's up? Today I'm going to review this Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon just beside the subscribe button. Ting tong, yes, घंटी बजा दो यार. And yeah, so that you will get notified whenever I post new videos on my channel, and subscribing is completely free, so do subscribe my channel. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we notice or we look at before purchasing any product is the price of this product. Now the price of this product, this Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation, is a little bit funny as well as contradictory. At some bottles the price or the MRP that is marked at rupees 150, and some bottles the MRP is 145. Yeah, you will get 27 ml of this product, and the product you will get somewhere around rupees 140 to 150 price. And if you buy this product from any local store, you can definitely get at rupees 125 to 130. And if you buy this online when discounts are going on, again you can get it at rupees 125 to 130. So this is the price of this product. And talking about the packaging now, this comes in this small glass bottle. Yes, the material of this foundation bottle is glass, and the only disadvantage that I think is that this foundation does not come with a pump or a nozzle. Now when a foundation does not come with a pump or a nozzle, what it does, it does not allow the user to have control on the foundation, or the amount of foundation that you actually need. You don't have control on that, so always you end up getting more foundation out from the bottle than the amount you actually require. We have a tendency to put that excess amount inside the bottle, which is definitely something which is unhygienic according to me. This point that I'm going to talk about is the expiry date of the foundation. Now the expiry date of this foundation is 30 months, 30 months from the date of manufacturing. And guys, I would like to give you a suggestion that before buying any product that can affect your health, your body and your skin, your hair definitely, so before buying any such products, just check the expiry date of the product, okay? Talking about the shades of this foundation comes in only 4 shades. It's shell, coral, pearl and marble. The shade that I actually bought for myself is marble. Honestly speaking, this shade does not match my skin tone, and it's very difficult to find something that actually matches your skin tone when only it is available in just 4 shades. Now it's time to move on to the demo, and then only I can comment on the consistency as well as on the coverage. Yeah, the coverage of the foundation. So yes, before that I want to add that I'm not wearing any base foundation on my skin. It's just pure moisturized and primed skin. I have only done my lip, eye and eyebrow makeup, and that's all. So yeah, let's jump into the demo. The consistency of this foundation is runny and thin. As the name suggests, perfecting liquid foundation, the consistency is also liquidy. Very low sheer coverage or mild coverage. It's not able to hide my under eye dark circles, and I have certain pigmentation and dark spots around my mouth area. It's not able to hide or cover that. So the foundation, so talking about the coverage of this foundation, it's a low mild sheer coverage foundation. Please don't use your hand to blend this foundation. Always use a beauty blender to to blend this foundation, because if you use your hand in blending the foundation, your face will absolutely look cakey. And I think I have mentioned all the points that I know and I found out about this foundation in this video. If you find this video helpful and useful, then what you have to do, you already know, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you think about this foundation, or have you ever used this foundation, and how do you feel about this foundation, what are your thoughts about this foundation. I would like to know your thoughts on this foundation. And yes, do subscribe my channel, it's completely free, and we'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye.